How to remove green screen in Openshot. Want to delete a green background and make your subject stand out? Here's how to remove green screen using Chroma key in Openshot. Start by importing your green screen video into the project files. Drag it onto the video track in the timeline. Now go to the Effects tab and drag the Chroma key effect onto your video clip. Open the Properties panel and locate the Chroma key setting. Set the key color to bright green or whatever solid color your background is. Use the font setting to fine-tune the edges so your subject looks clean and natural. To replace the green screen with a background, drag your desired image or video onto the lower track beneath the clip. What kind of backgrounds do you like adding? Nature, cityscapes, or digital sets? Let me know in the comments below. And once everything looks good, preview the result and export your polished green screen free video. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.